Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will show you how to edit the username of a saved password in Chrome on your PC. By following these simple steps, you can easily update your saved passwords to keep them accurate and up to date. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Chrome. Launch the Chrome browser on your PC. Step 2. At the top right corner, click on the More button. It's represented by 3 vertical dots. Step 3. Select Settings from the drop-down menu. Step 4. Go to Autofill and Passwords in the Settings menu. Step 5. Open the Google Password Manager. Step 6. Select the saved password that you want to edit. Step 7. Click on the Edit button. Step 8. Go to the username field and make the necessary changes. By following these steps, you can easily edit the username of a saved password in Chrome on your PC. This is particularly useful if you have changed your username for a specific website or service. That's it for this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with others who might find it useful. And remember to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.